Wouldn't be fantastic if you could buy a lovely one-bedroom condo on the outskirts of the popular Serangoon Gardens for less than the cost of an unfurnished new launch in the same district. This unit provides excellent value for both personal use and investment. Hello, I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. This ground floor north-south facing apartment at the garden residence is excellent for single or couples. The squarish layout enables for easy positioning of your living and dining sets, while yet accommodating a large sofa. The open concept kitchen comes with quality finishing and branded appliances, white goods such as refrigerator, oven, kitchen hob and washer with dryer. The master room is large enough to accommodate a queen-size bed and a side tables. Your clothing will have plenty of room in a full-height wardrobe. The garden residences provide you with a garden-filled landscaping with 55 premium facilities, including a 75-meter pool, clubhouse, and tennis court. Contact me today to view this exclusive home.